Guys, welcome to Wolf lead coding session. Today's question of lead code is subsequence. So the problem states, given a string s and a string t, check if s is a subsequence of t. A subsequence of a string is a new string which is formed from the original string by deleting some, can be none, of the characters without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters. That is, ACE is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E, while AEC is not. So the question states that ACE is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E, while AEC is not. That means that since ACE appears in the same relative order in A, B, C, D, E, that means the string given in S appears in the same relative order in the string T. Therefore, AEC is not a subsequence of string T while ACE is the subsequence of A, B, C, D, E. So we can say that to be a subsequence of a string, the substring should appear in the same relative order as it was in the main string. So let's see how we can actually solve this problem. So this states that if the substring given is equals to the empty string, then we will return true. So here I have taken a variable named index and initialized its value to 0. So in this line we are running a loop from 0 to length of the string. So in line 9 and 10 I am simply checking that if the character in ith position of t is equals to index position of s, then I am simply increasing the value of index. In line 11 and 12, I am checking if the index value is greater than or equal to length of s, that is the substring. If it is so, then I'm returning true. Else, if it's not, after completing the loop, I'm coming out and returning false. So now let's submit this code and see if it gets accepted. And it got accepted. See you in the next one.